Hello everyone. Thanks to the kind people who create the moments of rescue for the poor animals when they are in trouble. And here we will start today's video. As this sacred calf has been injured around the neck from the wound of the leash that is also in care of the animal protection officers, and not knowing what bad things will happen to it. Somehow, this bear had managed to get his head inside of a bucket, and it took 3 strong men to get his head out. Too bad for the 3 puppies that are stuck in the oil, as the people here have to work very hard to help them to clean the oil stain. As the wound around the baby elephant's leg had become infected, the animal welfare officers had treated it, and it can now go back to living with its herd. These penguins became the victim of an oil spill at sea, and it was helped by the animal rescuers. A landslide had caused the elephant to be buried under the dirt, as people had to use a trailer to help to pull it out. The 2 policemen had taken action to save this baby seal that was trapped in a net on the sandy beach. As the 2 boys were walking in the forest, and suddenly they found a deer that was stuck in a tree. And the action of the 2 boys was rescuing the deer that is encouraging. As the baby elephant couldn't get out of the hole, and its mother was doing everything she could to help it, but it couldn't be helped, as the animal protection officer had lifted the baby elephant out of the hole safely. This man had found a sparrow that was on a roof, and unfortunately its leg was injured, so the man applied a medicine and had taken care of it. Discovering a strange creature behind the house, it turned out that it was a cat that was trapped in a can, as the girl had helped the cat to escape, and this cat had loved her benefactor very much. It was too hot, so this chicken had jumped into the well to bathe, but unexpectedly it couldn't get back up, so it had to ask the people for some help. The donkey's hooves were too long for it to walk properly, so this man had brought it home to cut its nails. Due to too much pain in one eye, this tiger had stopped eating and sleeping, leading to exhaustion, as the people had brought it back from surgery, and now, although the tiger has lost an eye, it is able to return to its normal life. as he saw a hungry fox at the back of his house, begging for some food. So he fed it. But unexpectedly, the fox also invited more companions to come around, and he did not mind to feed them all. And at the end of this video, this is the brave act of the mother antelope that had saved her baby from the grizzly bear's appetite and scared it away. Thank you all so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to the channel to see the latest videos. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.